ఆర్టిస్టులు చాలామంది ఉంటారు, కానీ ఆర్ట్ని చాలా ఇష్టంతో చేసే ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఒకరు. దుర్గా జస్రాజ్ గారు ఈరోజు హైదరాబాద్లో మనతో ఉన్నారు. దుర్గాजी वेलकम टू हैदराबाद अगेन एज ऑलवेज.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक, आप कैसे हैं?
जी मैं ठीक हूँ. तो इस बार क्या नया देखने को मिल रहा है हमें?
ओह वाओ. जय हो पंडित जसराज 52nd पंडित मोतीराम पंडित मनीराम संगीत समारोह. I think it's taken a new avatar. You know, I really feel it's a new avatar. There is बहुत सारे नए genres of music we are trying to present for the first time in the समारोह. और आज की जो पेशकश है उसमें वी आर पेइंग ट्रिब्यूट टू उस्ताद राशिद खान साहब. हिज सन इज़ परफॉर्मिंग, अरमान खान. उसके बाद उस्ताद अल्लाह रखा खान साहब के शागिर्द और youngest son rather, Tawfiq Qureshi. He's going to play djembe solo, and followed by the legendary Dr. L. Subramaniam. Along with his sons Ambi Subramaniam, they're going to play Carnatic duet. तो आज का तो ये है. एंड 30th नवंबर एज अभी तक आप लोगों को शायद पता होगा, या जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है, हम लोगों ने 30th नवंबर की जो एक परंपरा है, जो हाँ बापू जी 30th नवंबर को लगातार गाते रहे. 47 years without a break he sang every year for the audiences of Hyderabad. तो उनके जाने के बाद भी हमने उनकी ये परफॉर्मेंस का जो ट्रेडिशन है उसको बरकरार रखने की कोशिश की है, और अलग अलग तरीके से उनको प्रेजेंट करते हैं विद लाइव म्यूजिशियंस. और 30 तारीख को जो ऑडियंस आती है, इट इज़ अनबिलीवेबल बाय ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड. दे कम टू ब्लेस हिम, दे कम टू एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस द इनोवेशन, दे कम टू लिसन टू पंडित जसराज जी लाइव अगेन अलॉन्ग विद म्यूजिशियंस. तो ये जो सारा कुछ है, तो 30th नवंबर को वी आर प्रेजेंटिंग पंचतत्व, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ 5 elements of nature, along with some stalwarts and absolutely powerhouse artists, musicians of India. We have Ratan Mohan Sharma, Ankita Joshi, we have Praveen Godkhindi on flute, we have Tawfiq Qureshi, Selva Ganesh, who've just received Grammy for Shakti, and son and disciple of the legendary T.H. Vikku Vinayak Ramji, along with Table pe Aditya Kalyanpur. Then on Mridangam we have Sridhar Parthasarathi. Then we have Jal ke liye we have Tejendra Narayan Majumdar, who's a Sarod Maestro, disciple of Ustad Ali Akbar Khan Sahab. Then we have Gundecha brothers coming to perform for the earth as element. Pandit Umakant Gundecha, Anant Gundecha, and Akhilesh Gundecha. And then when everything comes together, it is life, and Bapuji's voice is going to be part of the performance for every element. I am going to read out the poetries, and it's a audio visual extravaganza. इस पे बहुत सारा एनिमेशन का काम, विजुअल्स का काम हम लोगों ने किया है with 40 animators and visual artists, who have worked on films like Bhootnath, 3 Idiots, Bahubali, and so on and so forth. The best of Bollywood talent. They have worked for 2 years to create the visuals of this. So it is going to be, I really hope it appeals, it really mesmerizes the audience. It's something that you will love to watch. This is what, and listen to.
So many artists from Pandits to Ustads, everybody on one platform. This is a great thing. All the legends coming together. How is the feeling? As you said, it's a powerhouse. तो वो power कहाँ से आ रहा है?
From Almighty God and my gurus, my father Sangeet Martan Pandit Jasraj ji, and my mother Madhura Pandit Jasraj ji. My mother left us 2 months ago, Madhura ji. But it has always been the case that Samaroh has presented best of talent from across India, and this is one more year, and we try to be very authentic, to be honest to music, and I think that is where it all comes from. And also the fact is musicians recognize what this Samaroh is all about, तो उसकी वजह से वो लोग सब खुद भी अपनी तरफ से एफर्ट करते हैं, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कहते हैं कि नो, मे बी नॉट 24th, दैट आई एम ऑलरेडी परफॉर्मिंग समवेयर, कैन आई प्ले ऑन द 25th और द 26th. इस तरह का जब होता है तो वी आर एबल टू गेट. दिस ईयर वी इन फैक्ट हैड रेखा भारद्वाज जी डूइंग सूफी द फर्स्ट डे इनॉग्रेशन. उसके पहले हम मेवाती प्रेयर प्रेजेंट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट डे वी हैड राहुल देशपांडे. We had Shobna ji performing Bharatnatyam. What a fabulous performance she gave. Rahul Deshpande ji gave such a mind-blowing performance. We had Ricky Cage coming. We had yesterday Anu Kapoor. My association with goes way back to 30 years of Antakshari. I mean, not 30 years ago we did Antakshari. So it has been an incredible journey with relationships, and of course the professional aspect is there. But the fact is that they also want to come and perform, and we also want to include all various forms of performing arts in this festival.
When we see you and Anuji, everybody feels so happy. As you said, the association, I'm sure that personally also the association is very good. What is the conversation that both of you normally have over chai?
I drink coffee.
Okay, over coffee.
The conversations are very, very varied. Of course, you can't keep talking only about the past. Maybe a bit here and there. But luckily for me and Anuji, our relationship has lived the years. So we are not stuck in the past, or we are not meeting after 20 years that, Anuji then and now. We have grown. We did Jalsa together, which was again a huge success, Idea Jalsa. But even otherwise, he's become a family member for all of us. So he's part of everything that is good and bad. Like when my mother passed away, he was there that very day. He came for the last rites also. So he's part of almost like continuously, you're in touch with the person. So we talk about what is happening then. If he's heard some new music or something, he'll give references of things that he has read. Sometimes even we speak about what has happened, and so sometimes I need help, I reach out to him. I mean, Anuji, this has happened, what is your advice? And he's always there. So he is like a solid figure in my life. He's there for you, to help you, to advise you, to guide you.
You said we are very honest with the music. There are a lot of musicians are coming up, and people who are learning classical, who are learning different forms of music. What would you like to tell them?
Even this year, you saw in Mewati Prayer, there were a lot of young musicians performing. Then there was, we did a Pakhavach duet of brother and sister Mahima Upadhyay and Rishi Shankar Upadhyay. To put up a Pakhavach duet, you need guts, okay? Because it's not as popular as tabla. And it's to pick them up, because they really made sense. They were working very hard to bring that instrument, into forefront, and they are so young. Then we had Swar Sharma, who's my nephew, but he's Bapuji's youngest disciple. But he's such a worthy ambassador of Hindustani classical music. Then we had Chirag Katti playing sitar. He was fantastic. I'm getting so many messages for all these youngsters also. Then yesterday we had Jasrangi Jugalbandi, students of Pandit Sanjeev Abhyankar. Sanjeev is my Guru Bandhu. He's learned Jasrangi from my father, and he has given his Vidya Dan to his students. And I think, that whole process of choosing the youngsters, choosing people from various gharanas, various instruments, various genres is all very important. I mean, even with Shobna ji, he's very young, but he's a maestro, Abhishek Raghuram. What a powerhouse performer he is. I mean, you really, when you say Abhishek Raghuram, you say so on and so forth. So every name resonates with his and her uniqueness to performing arts. Anu Kapoor is not competing with Rekha Bharadwaj, or Rekha Bharadwaj is not Ricky Cage. Ricky Cage is not Shobna ji. So everybody in music or performing arts have space, and everybody comes with their unique prowess, mastery of talent, and that is what I think we should all look out for. Yeah. And even the youngsters, they are fantastic. I mean, who is one young performer that you can say that I was, or we have been biased towards? I think none. I would say none. And in fact, that creates a very healthy environment in the green room. Because when they hear the other youngster performing well, they want to do their best, because they know that this opportunity means a lot, and they have been picked up amongst lakhs and crores of other musicians.
Something you want to say poetically and musically to all of us NTV viewers?
Well, I don't know poetically and musically, but I just want to say thank you, Hyderabad, for all your blessings and love. You mean the world to us. you're my father's my baap, and so therefore all the Hyderabadis are actually my grandparents and uncles and aunts and everybody, even if you're 5 year old. We actually हम लोग आप सबको बहुत प्रणाम करते हैं दिल से. और ये जो परंपरा मेरे पिताजी ने शुरू की है कि हैदराबाद को नतमस्तक करके पूरे साल की एनर्जी और ब्लेसिंग्स लेके हम बाकी का काम कर सकें, कुछ अच्छा काम कर सकें अपने जीते जी. और बापूजी के लिए तो मैं तो कहती हूँ वो तो अच्छा काम जीते जी कर ही रहे थे और उसके बाद भी कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए उनका परफॉर्मेंस आज भी हो रहा है. और ये पूरे वर्ल्ड में एक इतिहास है कि किसी कलाकार का निरंतर लाइव परफॉर्मेंस आ रहा है. एंड इट इज़ रियली अ मैसेज. मैं अपने आप को क्रेडिट नहीं देना चाहती, और क्योंकि ये उन्होंने ये कमिटमेंट अगर 47 इयर्स नहीं किया होता लगातार तो ईश्वर ये मैसेज हमें नहीं देता. एंड वन लास्ट थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट आई एम truly grateful to my partner who is the co-founder of Pandit Jasraj Cultural Foundation along with me. We both started this foundation which was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. That he works as hard, if not harder than me. In fact, he makes me look really good because with all his hard work and dedication and commitment to this festival, because आप लोग कम से कम जानते हैं कि मैं पंडित जसराज जी की बेटी हूँ, and you think I'm taking forward the legacy, but there is one man who's working harder, and truly grateful to him. And all you Hyderabadis and music lovers for blessing us from worldwide. You mean the world to us. Jai Ho.
Jai Ho. Thank you so much. You want to hum something for us?
मैं हम करूँगी तो आप लोग आएंगे नहीं फेस्टिवल में. आप लोग आज भी आइए. टुडे इज़ द 29th of November and today is the second last day of the festival. Tomorrow 30th November is the last day. Now every year 24th to 30th November is going to be the calendar dates for Hyderabad. 1 week of cultural extravaganza for you Hyderabadis. आप लोग आइए. हमिंग तो क्या, बापूजी कल आपके लिए गा रहे हैं, वो स्वयं गा रहे हैं. आप लोग आइए. जय हो.
జై హో. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. చూశారు కదా, చాలా ఉత్సాహంగా ఉన్నారు. అంతమంది ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో పర్ఫామ్ చేయడం చాలా అద్భుతం. ఇంకా పండిట్జీ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళలేదు. పండిట్ జస్రాజ్జీ మనతోనే ఉన్నారు, మన అందరితోనే. ఆయన ఈ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ని చూస్తున్నారు, పైనుంచి చూస్తున్నారని అంటున్నారు దుర్గా జస్రాజ్. కెమెరా పర్సన్ అలీతో తరుణ, ఎన్టీవీ హైదరాబాద్.